Hello, my people. Una good evening. How una dey? Oh, so una dey fine. I just say me, I just quit doing this audio for una. Also, una dey hear me because the network not too good, eh? The network not too good at all. As I dey up so the network go dey shake. But I pray may it still go small. I greet everybody. Now do well. My brothers and sisters, and they come first because this door they make noise. Me, I close am. Una good evening again. Me I greet una again. Una no vex. I just dey up, eh? Maybe tomorrow afternoon we fit talk, eh? But this one get now see yesterday after we I don talk about this wetin happen for this man with this setup of a team. So as I see the video, they just dey do am for live. So now I just pick am. So I no fit come do am live to una. So now I come send am. Now say I come record am, send am come. Say una still see wetin dey go on. Because I be try to share am for my page. You know go. Because the person wey video did this thing block am. And only if people wey be friend FCC. So now I come put am for there. So wetin I dey talk about, I dey hear some people dey say make the man not forgive. Some say may he forgive, some say may he go Ogbalegbe, may he go, may he go do Nusha, may he go do this one. For me, say everybody get your opinion because may the man forgive, may he forget everything. Because if he forgive, if he forget, God go still forgive am. You understand? God go still forgive am. No matter how, no matter anything. Say this life, nobody dey perfect. Nobody. That make me dey talk and say everybody get your opinion. You fit get your own mind, say no, this thing you too do me, I go do you back. So if the man forgive that family, God go still forgive am. You understand? Because if the man say I no dey forgive, I wan go Ogbalegbe, say sometimes you say you wan go Ogbalegbe. When no dario go Ogbalegbe, you go put yourself for problem. It dey happen now. You say, I waiting this person do me, I must show you, I must do this one. Maybe you want to go Ogbalegbe now. Say Ogbalegbe, if you go there, not be waiting carry you can only that one and they go ask you. They will come the wall your total where. They will call the find in and out or your life. You now understand now? Sometimes it's good, maybe just say all this thing I beg. May I forget. The thing pain, if they pain, nobody go fit talk and say no, they pay. I think may forgive and forget. Now so now, so that God go still forgive her. This boy, what did they call you? Collins, you go be like person where go dey wicked well. Sorry to say, you know waiting, you know why I talk, nothing for this life where person go do you where you say you know if you forgive and forget. Because you still get your own. You still get your own blame. You understand? You go still get your own. So even though same the man say one go meet Ogbalegbe, one go do this one go do that one. We all see the video say it dey painful. He pay well. You understand? Not be saying no dey pain. But remember one thing. If person do you something, try to have that mind say I forgive you. Because you still get your own blame. You understand? Because if you not forgive person, another person no fit still forgive you now. They treat am bad, of course. We see everything say they treat am bad. We see am, but everything, something don't happen. It don't happen. Now wetin we go come talk say okay, and then still go say we forgive us. I believe say the man if you now watch the video well because me na person wey dey watch well the man he not too much dey angry with the man with the husband, but the wife, you understand, the wife need make go beg that man well make beg am well because the man still dey angry well. If you watch the video the way we take dey talk am, you know say some people dey, if you tell am say forgive me wetin I do, you no be everybody dey forgive o. All the ye hoy na make me I no dey want me I get misunderstanding with anybody, because some people dey always forgive you when they know where you're right hoy. You understand? So all these things make the man just forget everything. It don't happen. I mean na me agbo. Owe no me o me hian se ba ni ye hian so ne. Owe do there. So the best thing make the man forgive and forget. Next time. Or why even though when they talk to person, they talk to a woman, the woman say, my brother, my husband enemy, he go just run. You just come out. You understand? And somebody they talk my own, you go just come out. Even though say the woman, but they tell you say, me with the man not there gay. And so no, just come out. Now my own opinion, let me they talk. Even to okay, me we say okay, the man, he go meet Ogbalengbe now, say see what happen. You know say Ogbalengbe go ask question. Wetin cause all this thing? How it take happen? They'll call the zanzan everything. They ask. No, because I'm not the one me. They'll call the zanzan everything. Maybe the man don't still get some problem for Ogbalengbe before, or maybe the family don't forget. They could come be another double problem again. You understand? Or maybe all those people where gather where they there, they still get problem. Nobody want me Ogbalengbe be friend though. I wanna a problem because Ogbalengbe I need the problem here. I think so now be that one. Nobody need Ogbalengbe with their problem at all. Because not be as we take the look and say you just carry and go, just go give Ogbalengbe say the gather beat you, they'll just join you say now you are right. Ogbalengbe no say they do and well say they beat her. No, they must talk put for that one, but they must ask wetin cause am, wetin una know as they say they do their thing. Una know the way when they say they do their thing. So next time make this our brother may learn. You understand? May he learn as so na me see, so may he forget and forgive, so that God go still even forgive her, because he don't even hear say the woman talk and say they put money for her head that be I don't know. Now he go still go put for another. See as now understand what they talk. So all those things may the man just forget everything. Find your way, find your life. Now so me I see am, because some people say may not forget may go meet Ogbalengbe. Now so we dey talk am for mat na tabunu na logo o nya wo bo ma yezo si me ni ya ta o iga nyo nerege ni egi si we bo we ade egba eba ni and the man even gets more problem with Ogbalengbe, or the woman they even gets more thing. You never see sometimes you say you want go meet Ogbalengbe, say person do you something, person where you carry go they no be that one matter then they go you wait just go say you want go report say person do you something. How I do where jivani odo huyon way go say don't tell where we they look for you. It don't happen to one lady like that. He with one lady they fight. People tell and say this thing where this woman do you, so it did very bad because the other lady bite her for hand. If you see hand they say, go meet Ogbalengbe. This one are too fight you. Go meet Ogbalengbe. This thing where it do you is too bad. When the woman reach there, when he reach Carabinieri office, that Carabinieri say very good. You don't tell where we defend you. We not know, say we not see you. Thank God say you just use your leg take on. And I don't hear way. Sometimes we just may we learn how to forgive, how to forget. It don't happen. Thank God say they not kill her. That be that one, because you know say our people they too they get that reaction to the quit the knock person. That one not good. It good make we dey control ourselves. So as I just say and say this thing, the thing pain. Nobody go say no pain now. It pain. But if the man forgive, God go still forgive her. You know, so that you know say if you forgive person, God go still forgive you what you don't fair do. Okay, at you see, not be lie, not be lie. Europe police public case, e no dey finish, oh. E no dey finish, especially Italy, oh. If you there for Italy, hell, abeg o. If you there for Italy, no just go there. Try to maintain yourself. Something wey you don do for 20 years ago, they will go wole come out. When they will come, they answer you question. You know, say their case no dey finish. Their case no dey finish, oh. Abeg, make we dey respect ourselves, make we maintain everything. Make the man just face his life. It don happen, it don happen. If you blame them, still blame yourself. You understand? Not to treat person bad. That one na true. You know, say, like this thing now, I don't know as I'll take put am. The way when they take do am, no be say Ogbalegbe go see the video, go dey happy, oh. No, they no go happy. But they must ask you, say, wetin cause am? Wetin, you know, why this thing? No be say then you just go there and they start to dey beat you. Wetin cause am? Ado azolo. Na so this one, na so this one. Sometimes say the man wey maybe you wey go report, say you go say I for not even go safe. So that one na be that one, my brothers and sisters. You know, sometimes maybe they learn not to the beat person like say na even animal self. If you touch am, Ogbalegbe go hold you, say wetin make you go there. You understand? So my brothers and sisters, I just see the something yesterday, and the thing now, see, I see this video where I just they talk now. They don't go, they go, they beg me. I just still put her for now. They make me put her like that. Say, okay, Mona still wash her. I pray me everything finish like that, you know. But this man supposed to know, say people must dey where go they push her. Say may not finish, oh. May person way still know. I pray may they even tell and say, if I don't do everything, don't they okay. Even though say those video recording gbogbo it no mean no matter. May you forget everything. If person if man they toast to woman, not the way they know they use their mouth till they talk. That one a normal thing. That one a normal thing. You understand? So not be that one. Maybe you go say I go come dey shame. I go come dey do this one. No. So may you forget. It don't happen. It don't happen. So if person tell you say no, that's why I go carry, because you know say some people they sabi do over sabi way big pass them. Now so I go carry the matter, go give Ogbalegbe. You will not get matter, you want carry go meet Ogbalegbe. Person will get matter, you go say may you forget. And thank God say you will not get matter. If you carry go Ogbalegbe no even mind you. They will say because not be you no, not be you get the matter. So rest for the case. So this a part may forget. May you just forget everything. Maybe now if you go see her now, those people where even do they there, if they go look the background for home, you go see say one or two go be a brother or a sister for home, or a mama go know them. Because we on a Bini. Now the thing that they pay me pass because we know the thing before we they do something. And that make me I don't want quarrel with anybody. Because in your know now, when you don't use that to fight with somebody, you could even though so when they play that play, no be like as before when I never curse each other. You know, be like the same because this man now, if you go see say maybe one or two of them, anybody where they there, they even know the family back home. That the play the thing don't go because you know. Even though so now they drink together, that kind the thing no can't get us. Go get us be because say my dog have a young when I can't we see what you na do me that time. You understand? That make me the talk and say you go still blame yourself. You go take a 50-50. You go still blame yourself. Blame all those people who still do that thing. So my brothers and sisters, now that one me I see this our brother whether they call colleagues. Try may you get heart to the forgive person because as they see your comment it's not good because if you not forgive God not go still forgive you because he go get the day where you go still do person something go say not forgive you. You understand? So it good if person do you something you say now because of God he say me here your boss alobua now so me I do my own I leave everything for God. So so it made the man forget. May they call the carry and they go the other social media, carry and go the other side. That one rock by MSN. You too funny, Of course, we no use, but sometimes, if you no use hot hand, say, oh, brother or sister, forget that one, my brother. It's very good to forgive. That one a normal thing. No need to go to the police for where, no need, no need. Unless say if you dey another country, Italy, why gbiyan gbagba me? If you na Italy, hell, unless say you no dey there, wey dem dey draw case sometimes I go dey lis ten to tell you dem say case of 30 years ìyẹn náà wẹ̀ gbé yàwó lẹ́mu ládìá ọmọ náà wú nẹ́sẹ̀ fi ìyẹn yàwó ẹgbẹ́ mú case ọ̀rẹ́ ládìá just forget, make this man just forget everything, put everything for God hand, say ọma na something say dey do my thing. If person do you something say pay you, but who be ame wey were yabe o, because if person dey do something now, maybe you made mistake, this one made mistake, who were really abewe, you understand, you must still take am. Ogbalegbe ogbalegbe yan gwale yan ekesi ogwa atondo ani ewo to before you know they will now go court. You can't even ask yourself, say I know, if I no even carry go, I for just forget, you go come dey long go, forget that thing. Make you say you go first use hot hand take carry, no, forget that one, forget that thing. Na Nigeria we dey do that one, no be abroad. Forget that thing. No, say sometimes even that Nigeria sef forget, say they use know say sometimes you go do person something, I talk am say this man wey dem do wetin dem do am, he pay me, no be say he no pay me, he pay me as I see am, but say we get that pepper body, which is very bad. Before person go just talk, you know whether the person dey sick, you just give am gbo. If the person come fall for ground, e die for your neck, you don enter one chance. We suppose to dey control ourselves for that one. That one na normal thing, we suppose to dey control, because not be everybody wey dey waka na egbe wara wey dey only. No, some people dey wey just dey waka dey go, single blood e no get for body, maybe e get BP wey e high, go dey waka, you dey think say na person normal like you, as you just give am slap, e go just faint for ground, roto, you come enter one chance. That one na normal thing, but we black, we suppose to dey control. So we black, we suppose to dey control ourselves. So make the man just forget and forgive, you understand, especially because as I take watch that video, that is the thing pain am well wetin the woman do am, e pain am well, no be say no pain am, e pain am well. The woman need to beg, no be as if say dey beg that video wey dey do one kind, dey cover im head, dey do that one, no, maybe e go still beg after that video don comot for there, because the man need to just forgive am and forget. So make no go meet Ogbalegbe, make dem go draw you say make you go meet Ogbalegbe, no go meet Ogbalegbe, epa make you forget everything, comot am for mind, say okay, make God still forgive you, because you go still get something wey you don still do for another person, maybe you don still offend people, so make you still forget, make you forgive, make God still forgive you. Na be my own. I no come tell you say make you go meet Ogbalegbe now, go dey draw up and down, no, because Ogbalegbe, wetin don enter Ogbalegbe hand, na so you go dey there 3 years, dem go still dey call you say na that case wey you come report, na dem still dey there. You understand? So nobody go even dey happy say dem go, and all of them na the same pescara dem dey for there. You no go dey happy say okay dem go arrest that, say they even get family, dem go arrest am, e dey for prison, you no go dey happy. We all na one, as I take talk am, we need to control ourselves, you understand, before you go say you wan beat person. That thing na no good wey we dey do. So my brothers and sisters, I just still drop this one, because if you be that person wey get that man say no forgive go Ogbalegbe, my brother, if you the day wey you go Ogbalegbe, you go come dey ask yourself like say I know, if I no even come here, because wolo wey dem dey wolo you, this something go take 10 years, you go dey go, e go be like say you even dey talk say you wan withdraw, you go na withdraw, because e don reach judge hand. Wa odo arriva ni, you understand? Okay, you read lawyer for school. I know. Even me, I not read down, but me, I know the law wey hold me for ground. You understand? But not be everything person go carry go. You understand? Not be everything go. But even sometimes, you go meet lawyer, say you want so something happen. Your lawyer even dey tell you say, may we just do am amicably. You understand? You go say, may we just do am patch, you know. You go even they advise you because they know the law. If you don't enter, you no gree comot. You understand? I know say everybody law dey, not be say law not dey. But sometimes you say, okay, I wan do this thing. Okay, I no want. Me, I just forgive. Me, I forget. Everybody not be the same. People dey wey get mind go say, I go draw you. Now so some go still dey go say, maybe hear your boss alone, but I don't forgive you. So everybody not be the same. So as for me, make the man just forgive and forget. Like if na friend, so this our brother wey dem dey call Collins, he go say make he go draw and go say make he go meet Ogbalegbe. Because the way we take dey write your comment, the thing dey make me dey say go draw and say no, come on, go meet Ogbalegbe. All these people must pay for it. If they can't go prison, which gain you can't gain? I know say the beating no good, but gain not dey. Gain not dey. You know say some people dey, if you not talk to them, they know they understand though. They think say na the right thing and they do that moment when they beat that man. They think say na the right thing and they just dey do, which is very bad because they not still do it to you. People gather they beat you. But may we try to forgive and forget. Now so I reach my brothers and sisters. Maybe tomorrow we feel just still talk just like that. We just stay chat like that, you know. So good night, everybody. Remain blessed. If you know the epa, who know I may tell and say may forgive. Or your boy we hoy. May forgive. So may just forget everything. Even though say go to your Ogbalegbe place, so the beat where they beat and not come back again. They don't do. Now just say okay, I want to go report. See what they do me. Maybe they even read themselves, they can't talk everything. They'll say, okay, what happen now? Okay, may you tell and say, forgive me. You know, sometimes if they like that now, when you go Ogbalegbe place, they'll say, may we do a meko. Okay, you will tell and say, forgive you, I forgive you. Then I'll go ask. Or they'll say, you will carry and go court. If you say, okay, I want carry and go court, tell you, why do I say, here me court? Or do I thank here with Oh, now good night, my brothers and sisters. I greet everybody. Bye bye. So if person do now something more than they try to say, I forgive. I understand. Say the thing they pay. You know, say everybody not be the same. So if you not forgive me, say I offend you, because you still offend person. You know, say you know they perfect. Another that person enough. You know, still get person will go forgive you now. Where I forgive Oma. And all those things before person talk to you, you don't give and slap. It's very bad. It's not good. It dey against the law. Because even though say you don't right, but you will fair raise your hand, you don't enter one chance. You know, say some of our people, they just dey the country, they don't even know the kind of the law where you hold them for ground. But it no matter. You know, say as we na black now, we dey try to maintain ourselves. They say we be one. That make them they even they see all this meeting. They'll say it's so enemy of Ravenna meeting, so this or this of meeting. They'll go they report themselves for there, and the head that they'll constantly talk put. They'll constantly talk put. You know, you understand that here. So now this thing na ain't good. Instead of person go do you something, you just run go meet Ogbalegbe. You still get some meeting for there. You go call the person, say, see what happen. They'll still talk book for the meeting. Now I make now I make them they do all these things. You understand, my brothers and sisters. So I don't make bama ye cutty. Do I see like bama because say waiting. I beg. My brothers and sisters, okay, Mona go sleep. They don't dark and then morning. Na good night. Na bye bye. So it be like say wetin they call who be that one? Who know a part for them? Mona tell her me no verse because person wey do the video. Maybe I for tell her may give me the PAN number because I know her for Facebook. But no need. I believe say go forgive you. May still forget. Okay, that means you know the EPA. I will call EPA tomorrow. If una know mona tell am may no your boy we hoy. May forget. May forget. Nimi ya fo we hoere. Who say no EPA now Sayomore? Sayomore, you know that you know EPA. I don't even know who say you know herself. If you know, may forget, may forgive. May not come social media again, may throw away everything. You understand? Now only 3 days you go make brum for social media, everything go see, everything go come out. My brothers and sisters, the woman dey, as I take talk, as I take see the video, the woman dey rude. That is, I no like as I take see am for that video. And I even believe say this man no like the way the woman take do. We come dey put something for head. You know what make dem see am. No be if dem dey look for am, dem go still see am. Who know your husband go don know your wife abi? Na so me dey talk my own. Who know the, because as we see the video, who know them for pescara for there, don still know them. Don still know the wife. So my brothers and sisters, from Untouchable Mama, Mona remain blessed, Mona sleep well. I greet you now. Okay, you want to see the woman? You want to see the woman face for social media? They'll don't put her. You understand? Call it they'll don't put her because the woman face no show. I not like the way the woman take do for that video, which is very bad. You understand? Because even the EPA, the verse where you understand? The verse where the woman need to, because they do like say, I don't know as I take talk anyway. Anyway, may God forgive them. That's all. May God forgive them. May the EPA forget. Because you know why I say may the EPA forget now? Because of the beating. May forget. May forget. Because our people, they're supposed to they know something. If they do something, now a man like you, now you still they do. If it still happen to you tomorrow, our people, they know they think about that one. Before then they raise their hand up. You still be a man. Something if it still happen to you like that, another man will still raise their hand upon you. And then they do they know they think twice. Yeah, well, when able they nothing they happen. But later you go they beg. Well, good night. Good night, bye bye. Bye bye, watch out, bye bye, do well. So you will want call a pabe, call her, tell her say me forgive and forget. We know way. No say social media, so may just forget. If they tell her say me go me talk balegbe, tell her say go, may no go, may forget. You know, we all now one. Now the woman, now the way they take go they beat her, na no good. Now good night.